How to remove someone from best friends list without removing from friends. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Let's open Snapchat. And now you need to simply take a snap. Tap on send to button at bottom right. And over here you will see all your best friends. So simply in order to remove someone from best friend list without removing from friends on a Snapchat, you simply need to stop sending snaps to these peoples so that when the streaks are lost, then they will be automatically removed from best friend list without removing from friends on a Snapchat. The second way is simply you need to come back. Open the chat section. Tap best friends at top right and then you need to tap and hold this user. Select manage friendship. Tap remove friend and once you have removed, again you have to send the friend request and after that you will be added as friends and you both will be friends and not best friends. The last step is simply you can ask for the Snapchat support assistance to help to remove this or some users from best friend list without removing from friends on Snapchat and Snapchat will respond you with possible solution. That's it. I hope this guide worked. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.